Hi everybody, welcome back for another video. Today I have a little unboxing. I know it seems a little counterintuitive that I have an unboxing while I'm doing a de-stash. It has something to do with this size. I have moved back into this little Chic Sparrow. It originally was a lighter color. I think it was, they call it Emma now. But it was called Butter Rum when I got it. But you can see it has been loved and used, and like the original color was a lot lighter. So I wanted to get something similar to it, but I went with a different brand. I got this from Bassy and Company. I have back here this standard, see, with pockets in this beautiful olive color. And I also have this passport that I've been using in this beautiful olive color. And I wanted to get a little, Chic Sparrow calls it a nano, but Bassy and Co. Ooh, I forgot about the leather sample that they send that's a coaster. Look at that. Bassy and Co, they call it a mini traveler's notebook. I have another one of these that I've been using. This one, and I have another one over here. They send a beautiful leather sample coaster with your order. Like, this would be a beautiful notebook. There's this beautiful, this is emerald. This one I think is called honey. And this one is, oh, I forget what color this is. Oh no, what is it? It's like a burgundy of sorts. But so here is, thank you for helping us grow. And here are the care instructions. And all of their notebooks come in a little cloth that say Bassy and Co. And let's see. Ooh, they used a blue elastic. Oh, they also included a different elastic as well. And one thing that they do that's a little bit different is you'll see the two elastics this way. You can get them the way they do it in the Chic Sparrow. Here, let me pull my items out. So see how in the Bassy and Co, they have them this way. In the Chic Sparrow, they're this way. They do offer that if you want it this way, you can. So the only thing that is different, if you see, they're the same width. The only thing that's different is the pockets are straight on the Bassy and Co, while the Chic Sparrow has that little curve. So let's see if this fits in here. Oh yeah, it'll be fine. I forgot to request it this way, so I was afraid it might not fit because of where the elastic is. Yeah, this will be great. So that way I can have my notes. And I technically don't need the little plastic cover. Let me get a notebook out. I have all of my notebooks nearby. Here's a Foxy Fix that I've had. I think these are all being used. Here's a blank one. So with the two elastics, I could put a monthly calendar in here, and I can put a blank notebook. There we go. This is just to show you the difference. This is a mini, this is a nano, and this is a micro. You can see the Foxy Fix is a lot bigger. Even has a back pocket. It's also quite a bit chunkier. I really am partial to these little items. I've always liked the smaller size notebooks. I don't know if I want to keep the blue. Let's keep the blue, and then we'll decide if we want to use. The blue's really pretty with it. And then we'll save this for later. So what I do with these is, usually when I have one of these tiny ones, like a Chic Sparrow Nano, or my Foxy Fix. But here, let's take a look so you can see it all. There's their Bassy and Co stamp. It's a really pretty color. You can see how mine is wearing because I've been using it every day since I got it. I got the passport first, then I got the standard size, which they call a narrow. I think Chic Sparrow calls their standard size narrow. And then I got the mini. So what I do with the mini, the tiny little notebook, is I usually have a monthly calendar in here, which I have to make a new one, or print and cut it down. And then I usually have a dot grid. And the dot grid I use for and I tend to rip the pages out. I tend to use it for grocery shopping lists, or things I need to remember, stuff like that. And then the monthly calendar is just so I have a quick response if someone needs to know if I'm available for a concert or something, or a lesson or whatever. And then what I do with the pockets is, that would be where I would keep cash, my insurance cards, stuff like that. So, and actually I tend to keep the cash and stuff at the back. So that way, if I was to open it up to grab my driver's license or debit card, that's up here in the front and an easy grab, and no one will see the cash. But I really love these tiny little notebooks. Isn't that cute? Here, let's try something. That looks so cute. Oh, I have my little crystals out. There we go. So just a simple little unboxing. I will link Bassy and Co down below. They have a webpage, bassandco.com. They also are on Etsy, so I'll link both so you can choose where to order from. I ordered from their webpage this time, and the invoice that just came looked like an invoice from Etsy, so who knows. So there we are. If you have any questions, please leave them in the little boxes down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Look how pretty that is. I would have a lovely little green olive tiny little TN for a wallet. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.